Want to check back in, meantime, with Jennifer Griffin, who's at Clinton headquarters tonight. Jennifer?
Megan, well, what's notable here at headquarters is that, in fact, it's been a really subdued crowd for most of the night. And what we noticed is that they turned away from watching news channels. They're not watching Fox News over here at Democratic headquarters. But there was a lag effect where only recently did this crowd learn that Virginia had been called for Clinton. There was a little bit of applause at that moment, but right now we're hearing speeches from outside. Governor Andrew Cuomo is speaking. But they've gone to some videos, including that song, Fight Song, that has been her popular mantra going on to stage, and a lot of Hollywood stars coming out and speaking. They pulled Katy Perry out to speak to the crowd, but it was very subdued as they were watching the returns coming in on rival news channels. And again, only just now did they learn that Virginia has gone to Hillary Clinton. Megan?
Jennifer, thank you.